So we are asking that from this engagement today, that the delegates have listened, the delegates have been here, that can we forge a partnership that will ensure that the many strikes that happen in the counties comes to an end. You are coming here today, we believe, will call those strikes to an end. Because when healthcare of a country is at risk, we will not look at any governor. We will not look at any person in this country when healthcare is not functional. It will rise squarely on your desk as the CS.
Is here, the Council of Governors, the Ministry of Public Service, and the National Treasury to resolve these issues immediately and decisively. We must care for our carers. We must care for our carers. And today I'm happy that one of the governors who believe in the implementation of the UHC is sitting here. And I will endorse, and I will take his proposal to the Council of Governors that the share contribution for not only healthcare workers, but for all civil servants, both at the national and at the county level, be deducted at source.